MNY stock analysis next week. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at MoneyHero stock, MoneyHero Limited, sitting at $1.36, 19% the up for the day. Very interesting, let's put it that way. When I'm looking at it from a daily chart, previously with MNY, I looked for like a double break to take it higher, and for a brief second it started picking up higher, you see, but without me, you know, and I ignored it after the price never gave me the rules. So what's for the current price action? I mean, to be honest, 100% honest with you, this is not a market that I would trade whatsoever. I mean, in all seriousness, the only case in which I would really expect this thing and think of it as a bullish thing, it's only really going to be a case in which the price gives me a double break above here. Guess what? Anything else is noise, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to be waiting for rules. That's about that. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars and it's free.